Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial. So in today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to make a ping pong game, sort of like this one on the screen right now. So to start, just open a new project, go to costumes, just select this whole cat sprite and delete it. We don't need this second costume. So this first sprite's gonna be the paddle. Just rename it to paddle. Just make a rectangle. I'm just gonna make it green. Make it rectangle, right? So this is our paddle. Now go to code. In the events, bring a when flag clicked and bring out a forever loop. Glide once x to x this y this. Just make it glide point 2. Don't change the y, just change the x. In the x, drag this mouse x block from sensing. So now if we run it, then it follows our mouse. So now we need the ball. Just paint a new sprite, get the circle and draw a small circle here. Just make it a bit darker so we can differentiate it from the paddle. And now in events, bring a forever loop. And inside that put move 10 steps. And if an edge, bounce. So now it's just moving straight, it's not coming down at all. So to fix that, we just need to change its direction. See, its direction is 90 degrees, which is making it point towards this end of the wall of the stage. So it's moving towards that end, then it bounces and comes towards this end. So just change the direction to anything you like. Let's make it point a bit downwards. So now it's coming down and it's hitting the edges and it's bouncing back. But now it's just passing through the paddle as if the paddle doesn't even exist. So to fix that, just get an if condition. If touching paddle, then turn 180 degrees. So now it's hitting the paddle and it's turning 180 degrees, which basically means it's turning around in the opposite direction. But now, see, I stopped the project when this ball is very close to the edge. So if I start it again, the ball just resumes from that position. We needed to respawn from the top somewhere around here. So just drag the ball to where you want it to respawn and then get this go to X, Y and put it before the forever loop. So now I stop the project when it's here. I resume it. It again spawns from the top. But now it won't be fun without health and lava. The lava which you need to keep the ball away from and the health, like the health. So just make a new sprite and get a red line. Just 30 thickness should be enough. I'll just make the line. I'll just drag it somewhat down, like on the ground. And 30 looks a bit too thin. Let's try 50. Yeah, 50 looks better. So let's just rename the sprite to lava. Oh, I almost forgot to rename the ball sprite. Now in the ball sprite, go to controls and bring an if condition. And then if touching lava, now we need a new variable called health. Yeah. So in the starting, we set health to 3 or 4 or anything you like. I'll just like 3. So now drag this change health by 1 and make it change health by -1. So now let's run it. Okay, it's hit the lava, but in one go, it reduced a lot of points. From 3, it became -2, and then it became -7. So the reason it's doing that is it's touching the lava, but it hasn't touched the edge yet, so it still keeps moving around in the lava, so our points keep getting deducted. So to change that, just bring out another, go to XY, get it after this, and in the X write what you wrote above here. So for me it's -13 and Y 129. Right. So now it hits the lava and spawns again from the top. So that way only 1 point gets deducted. But it would look better if we had a sprite to control the lives. So just choose a sprite. I'm just going to choose the heart. It's available in the Scratch library. I don't need the purple one, just the red one. And just make its outline nothing. Right, and now I'll just make the size a bit small. And first of all, we need it up here. We don't need it in the middle of the screen. So drag it over here. And now in this, just copy paste or the icons on top. Control the icons on top again, and just bring it here. Right, so now we have 3 hearts. Let's just rename this first to H3 hearts 3. Yeah, okay. Scratch automatically rename this new one to H2. Let's delete 1 heart. And now make another H1. Delete another heart. So now 3 hearts, 2 hearts, 1 heart. Now go to events. When flag clicked, forever. Go to looks. Switch costume to operators H health. Now we don't need to show the health because it'll be visible in the heart on the top. Just yeah. So now if we run it, let's just check. Yeah, that sometimes happens because it like hits the paddle and it still detects as not hitting the paddle. That's nothing, that's a scratch glitch. Oh my, did you notice that? It's hitting the lava so many times, but the heart is staying at 1. The moment health hits 0, the game should stop. So, paint a new sprite. Just make a huge square or something. And then write you lose. And just make this a bit bigger so it's visible. Now go to code, events. When flag clicked, looks, hide, forever loop. Forever. Just stay with put a wait until equals to 0. Just change this 50 to 0. Wait until health equals to 0. Show, and to make sure it's visible, just Let it go to front layer. So now let's just test it out. Okay, I'll just let it hit the lava. Two hearts, one heart. That hit the paddle. Yup, you lose. That's perfect. That's it for today's tutorial. Bye.